Alright, working on the old Chevy again. This time it's not for something that just is broken and I need to fix, it's for an upgrade. I am doing a new steering box. This one's from Diesel Addiction. I think it's about 600 bucks shipped. Anyways, so I'm about a half hour in. Just wanted to show you what all you need to take off just to get to this thing. First off, fender or inner fender, and then what was next? Oh, then I think I went ahead and removed the intercooler pipe that goes from here down to the bottom of the intercooler. Got that out of the way. Also removed the sway bar, only because the steering box it's going to come out right there, and I thought that was going to be in the way. So 5 minutes of work, got that out of there. And then lower steering, what do you call that? Lower steering shaft, sway bar end links, and I think that's it. Oh, that plastic piece that goes under here, that is out. And now I think all that is left is 2 lines and 3 bolts, and this thing should be out of here. Not a hard job so far. I mean, obviously I'm in California, so zero rust to deal with, but so far everything has come out pretty easy. Get those 2 lines, get me a catch pan down here so I don't make too big of a mess. Got the old steering box out, heavy little sucker, and just laying them side by side. Man, this Diesel Addiction one looks a lot beefier, that's for sure. Well, it better be for what I paid for it. So, but yeah, definitely some differences in the way they're designed. That's got a bigger opening here, but this has got, it's like they just pushed everything forward a little bit, so that's a shorter area here, but this area is a lot bigger. It's different on the backside, quite a bit different, but as long as those 3 bolts line up and those 2 hoses line up, I don't really care. Okay, so I had the steering box in, most of the things bolted back up. Then I tried to put my lower steering shaft on, and it did not fit. It refused to slide on there. So I had to pull it all back apart, put it down here, and I ended up having to do some sanding and filing in there to get that to fit on there. So anyways, don't do what I did. Make sure it fits before you shove it back in there. Okay, just about got it back together. Just got to put the tire back on and that plastic thing on the front. What did I fight the most? Definitely the getting that lower steering shaft onto the steering box. That was fun. Getting the threads started on those 2 lines going into the box, that was fun. Yeah, it just fought me the whole way. And then the other complication I came across is these bolts. The top one was fine, the bottom 2 bottomed out on the steering box before they were tight, so I had to add some washers. I guess you could just grind the tip down on the because there's a lot of extra tip on the bolts. I could have gone that route. I just added a couple washers here, so these would tighten up before they would bottom out. So I don't know, it's kind of a weird one, but otherwise all back together, and I'll take her for a drive here in a little while. Well, look what I found at the bottom of the box while I was getting ready to throw everything away. 3 big thick washers. Probably they knew that that was going to happen, so they added some washers in there. So I guess I'll go back one at a time and pull the bolts holding the gearbox on and replace the washers. Okay, to bleed the air out of the system, you have to lift the front end off the ground, have your tires free, and then fire it up, and then just run your wheels back and forth until all the air bubbles out. You have to keep adding power steering fluid because it'll suck it in. But with new gearbox, new hydro steer, I've replaced every steering arm, the upper and lower. This thing ought to drive good. Finger steer, something I could not do before that hydro steer. Alright, well, everything's new from the steering column down, so, and after upgrading that hydro steer and now the new steering box, $1,000 later, between all this stuff, I'd say it drives pretty nice. It's always really almost like hard to turn